For the best price, click the link in the description /N. Are you tired of using low-quality camera equipment that can't keep up with your active lifestyle /N? Do you struggle to capture crystal-clear footage when on the go /N? Well, I've got some good news for you because today we're going to dive into one of the most exciting cameras I've come across, the Insta360. But here's what surprised me about this camera. It's not just a 360-degree camera, it's also capable of capturing stunning 4K video with its advanced stabilization technology /N. Therefore, if you're someone who loves to capture life's precious moments, no matter where they happen, then keep watching because I'm about to reveal some game-changing features that will take your content creation to the next level /N. So what is the Insta360 X5 /N? As a hybrid 360-degree and high-resolution camera, it offers unparalleled flexibility for creators who want to experiment with new formats /N. But don't just take my word for it. This camera has been making waves in the industry due to its exceptional image quality, user-friendly interface, and compact design /N. There's a reason why I'm so excited about the Insta360 X5. It's not your average 360-degree camera /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a device that can seamlessly blend into your content creation workflow without breaking the bank, then read on to find out how this revolutionary camera is changing the game /N. Now let's dive deeper into some of the key features that set the Insta360 X5 apart from its competitors /N. With its advanced stabilization technology, you can expect smooth and seamless footage even when moving at high speeds /N. Its ability to capture stunning 4K video is a major plus for content creators who want to deliver top-notch visuals /N. But what really caught my attention was the Insta360 X5's compatibility with both iOS and Android devices, making it an excellent choice for creatives on the go /N. Here are some specific features you can look forward to when using the Insta360 X5 /N. Built-in GPS and a dedicated app make it easy to track your shots and visualize the scene in 3D /N. The camera's compact design makes it perfect for attaching to a drone, bike helmet, or even wearing as a wrist-mounted cam /N. However, don't be fooled by its size. This little powerhouse is packed with incredible features that will give you an edge over other creators /N. Rehook. One of the most interesting aspects of the Insta360 X5 is its compatibility with various applications and platforms /N. For example, it seamlessly integrates with popular video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve, making post-production a breeze /N. But what's really worth noting here is that this camera doesn't just stop at 360-degree capture. It also opens up new possibilities for creators to experiment with immersive content formats like VR /N. With so many great features packed into one device, the Insta360 X5 truly stands out in a crowded market /N. But what about some of its limitations /N? Therefore, before you decide to make the leap and purchase this camera, let's talk about a few things you might want to consider /N. One potential downside is that the Insta360 X5 can be a bit pricey for some creators on a budget /N. However, considering all the incredible features it offers, I believe this camera is well worth the investment /N. That being said, there are several factors to keep in mind when deciding whether or not the Insta360 X5 is right for you /N. First and foremost, consider your specific needs as a content creator. Do you primarily work with 360-degree footage or high-resolution video /N? Are you comfortable learning new software and hardware /N? Lastly, how important is it to have a device that can seamlessly integrate with your existing workflow and equipment /N? Rehook. One of the most exciting things about the Insta360 X5 is its incredible image quality /N. With crystal-clear 4K resolution and advanced stabilization technology, you can capture life's precious moments like never before /N. But what really sets this camera apart from others in its class is its ability to adapt to any environment or situation, whether it's capturing stunning landscapes or immersive indoor scenes /N. So now that we've talked about some of the key features and considerations, Let's summarize why I believe the Insta360 X5 is an absolute game changer for content creators, /N. Firstly, its advanced stabilization technology ensures smooth footage even in high-speed movements, /N. Secondly, its compatibility with both iOS and Android devices makes it perfect for on-the-go creators, /N. Lastly, its compact design and lightweight build make it easy to attach to any device or wear as a wrist-mounted cam, /N. Therefore, if you're tired of using subpar camera equipment that can't keep up with your active lifestyle, then the Insta360 X5 is an absolute must-have, /N. For the best price, click the link in the description.